caliph child, you can man child, you can form caliph child. My name contains both the caliph and man. This is my quantum gravity video number 27, and there are two topics, topic A and B. Topic A is what is E? E is referred to the elementary charge, which is 1.602 times 10 to the power 19 coulombs. You remember that in the video 24, actually I have derived what is E. Actually, in video 1, from my equation 7 in video 1, in video 21, sorry, and it is 4 pi epsilon naught times c squared times Planck mass times Planck length times alpha. Alpha is the fine structure constant, 1/137.036, or 7.297 times 10 to the power minus 3, which is equation 2 in my video 21. So, and today I'm going to derive what is E. Last time I derived was E squared. First note that E is much greater than E squared, because E is equal to 1.602 times 10 to the power 19 coulombs, or as last time I derived the unit, it should be joules meter, and whereas E squared is equal to 2.566 times 10 to the power minus 38 coulomb square. That is, E is greater than E squared by 19 orders of magnitudes. So how do I derive E? Starting with the base, I base it on equation 2, that E squared is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 10 to the power 7 times Planck mass times Planck length times alpha, which is equivalent to equation 7. Since in equation 7, E squared is equal to Planck mass times Planck length times c squared. So my starting point is E should also be Planck mass times c squared times Planck length, and that is because it should be 19 orders of magnitude bigger than E squared. Therefore, I should retain the factor 10 to the power 7. And next, because it should be 19 orders of magnitude bigger than E squared, so I will also not adopt the alpha, the fine structure constant, because the alpha, the fine structure constant, is a conversion factor, 7.297 times 10 to the power minus 3. the effect of which will be make the numerical value 10 to the power minus 3 less. So if I do not adopt the fine structure constant, then it will be 10 to the power 3 greater. So 10 to the power 16 plus 10 to the power 3 will be 10 to the power 19. So I should simply come to at last I come to the term E is equal to 10 to the power 7 times Planck mass times c squared times Planck length. And you can check that by substituting Planck mass is equal to 2.2 times 10 to the power minus 8 kilogram, which is Planck mass, and c squared is equal to 9 times 10 to the power 16 meter per second square, and Planck length is equal to 1.62 times 10 to the power minus 35 meter. You can substitute these values into this equation. E is equal to and then you get the result 1.602 times 10 to the power 19 coulombs, or Joule meter as I derived last time. And then also this value, this equation, the value of the equation x, I call it equation x. This equation will be (19 orders of magnitude greater than E squared). So I found the E. What's E? E is equal to 10 to the power 7 times Planck mass times Planck length times c squared divided by 2. And now I've come to the second topic which I'm going to talk today, which the topic is why there is no magnetic monopole. And why this topic? Because this topic is connected with E, connected with the elementary charge. We have two physical constants, both of them have E, and one is called the magnetic flux quantum, H divided by 2E. H is the Planck's constant, is equal to 6.626 times 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. And this also equal to 2 pi times h bar. H bar is the reduced Planck's constant. This value is m mass times Planck mass times Planck length times c. This is the equation 1 of my video 19. This equation 1 should be familiar with to you because mentioned so many times. And the second constant with E, with the elementary charge, is called the Josephson Constant. 2E, its value is 2E divided by H. That's just the reciprocal of of the first magnetic quantum flux quantum. And this Josephson constant is also called the Josephson ratio of frequency to voltage. Both of these constants are the results of an experiment conducted by Josephson, of course, in 1962. Firstly, with two superconductors connected by insulating materials and with zero voltage applied to the arrangement. And next, there with two such arrangements connected in parallel and with minute voltage applied, the two experiments. In the second arrangement, with so arranged that the current flows in opposite direction in the loop. It was found that in the first arrangement, there's a minute current, 2E divided by H, that to say the Josephson constant value passed through the insulating materials. While in the second arrangement, by adjusting the small current and then by trial and errors, they create a magnetic flux which just stops the superconducting current. Thus, by this experiment, it's found that a magnetic flux quantum H divided by 2E was equal to an electric flux quantum, we say the small current of 2E divided by H. But why is the magnetic flux is exactly just reciprocal to the electric flux? Why the H divided by 2E is exactly reciprocal to the 2E divided by H? That is to say, 2E divided by H times H divided by 2E is exactly equal to 1. I did some research on this reciprocity, and this, which is called the reciprocity. I found out that firstly in the book, the Cambridge Handbook of Physics Formulas, which is published by Cambridge University Press in 2000, that about the reciprocal factors, and then I also searched for a topic called the Bloch Theorem in page 286 and 293 of a book called The Physical World by the Oxford University Press, published in 2017. And then I found out, and I also used my newly derived E, the value of E, and you find out that 2E divided by H is equal to 10 to the power 7 times the Planck mass times c squared times Planck length, which is just derived, divided by 2 pi Planck mass times Planck length times c, which is equation 1, which I just shown you, and it's equal to 10 to the power 7 times c, that's light speed, divided by 2 pi. The unit of this value is Hertz per volt. And then next, H divided by 2E. Again, using the value of E divided by me, and also the equation 1, and you arrive at the next. It's just the reciprocal. 2 pi divided by 10 to the power 7 times c, the light speed. And the unit of this constant is called Weber. It's Weber. It's a magnetic flux is equal to 1 Tesla times 1 square meter. And also found from the physical world, the book, the page 286 to 293, the Bloch Theorem, that the magnetic flux quantum H divided by 2E is the reciprocal, just the reciprocal lattice Bloch vector, or called the reciprocal primitive base vector, to the original lattice or original primitive base vector 2E divided by H. The 2E divided by H is the also, of course, we found out it's the electric flux, which simply means motion of electrons under the Bloch theorem. Just shown by a single equation. You have the first, the term on the left-hand side is the psi, is the wave function of the position vector plus the original lattice vector. And that is equal to the right-hand side, exp, which means the exponent of ik. I is just the square root of -1. K is just the Bloch vector, or the reciprocal lattice vector. And R is the original lattice vector, multiplied by the psi function of the position vector. That means, what this equation means is that the position, the wave function of the original lattice vector, that means in this case it's just 2E divided by H, the electric flux vector, is equal to the E. P means that's E to the power, this expression just means E to the power ik, and R is the original lattice vector, which is equal to 1. This simply means in ordinary verse, It means H divided by 2E. The magnetic flux has no substantive source of its own. The magnetic flux has no substantive source of its own. It's just a reciprocal vector. That means, in ordinary words, means it reacts to 2E divided by H. It has no source of its own. It's just a reciprocal lattice vector. It means it just reacts to the 2E divided by H, the electric flux quantum. The magnetic flux quantum just is a reciprocal vector. It reacts to the electric flux quantum. That's the electric flux quantum is the movement of electrons, the motion, and that's why there's no magnetic monopole. Because unlike the 2E divided by H, it has no source of its own, while the 2E divided by H has a source. The source is just the electron. So I think finished here. If you are interested, you can comment. I will answer your comment, or if you feel interested, then you can subscribe.